Welcome to Hakim Bale Bujang village. A charming village on the banks of Lake Laut Tawar. The village, with a population of 2,000, is blessed with stunning views that are clearly visible from its primary attraction, Bur Telege. It is perfectly situated between the lake in the north and the lush hills in the south. In the heart of a cool pine forest, Bur Telege is a lovely tourist attraction which offers a choice of modern and traditional Gayo photo spots. Bur Telege is one of the main sources of income for the village and is run by a BUMK with a fairly high income. Another BUMK business unit is the production of snacks unique to Central Aceh, such as Depik Sticks and abon, herbal herbs, and various pastries for aid. This sector is managed by the owner of Hakim Bale Bujang village. Karawang Gayo artisans who are skilled in embroidery may also be found in Hakim Bale Bujang village. The area is home to a number of craftsmen whose products are known throughout Central Aceh and Bener Meriah. There are also several homestays which have different designs from homestays in general. These homestays in the Gayo Highlands is also equipped with water heaters for your convenience. You'll encounter a variety of welcoming locals. In Hakim Bale Bujang village, there is a church, a historic monastery that attracts hundreds of Buddhists each year from Indonesia and throughout Southeast Asia, and a mosque, which is a place of worship for Muslims, who are the majority religion here. All people live in peace and respect one another. Hakim Bale Bujang village also has European-style villas. This villa is situated on a hilltop overlooking Lake Laut Tawar, which is directly below it. Come to Hakim Bale Bujang village. The cold makes you longing, and its beauty always draws you back.